Hi, to record meeting on VideoMeet, you need to be the host of meeting room. As a host, you have to click on More Actions button adjacent to End Meeting button. Choose Start Recording option. Here, if you wish to capture what is displayed on your VideoMeet screen, you can take this option. We recommend the same for better experience and then click on Start Recording. This would initiate the meeting recording. As you can see on screen, the recording is on now. Now, to stop the recording, again you need to click on More Actions and choose Stop Recording. Recorded file can be downloaded and will also be available for download in your VideoMeet account for next 7 days. To download the video within 7 days from the recording date, you can visit your meeting room dashboard, click on meeting room name, go to my recording and download the recording. Thank you.